first statement is collecting the columns, and then second from is the tables, number of tables, or where condition is talking about the columns. So let's move how it's working. I created a giant select statement for you. I think it is gonna be helpful. So in this, what I did is I took the employee ID and department, and what I'm trying to collect the years. In this year, who is the employee, their full detail, and their manager. So I I said the year. Year is a syntax or the function, which is inbuilt function, which will return year only. So hire date, it will return whatever year is come to you. Then we can say year. So as year. Year means employee year. Then the first name and the last name, and the hire date, salary, and the employee manager. So when you do the query in the employee, I'm just extracting. So you will find the manager as a ID. It's not number. So in your query, you want manager as a name. So in this way, how we can do this? So we finish select with the columns. Now just disable this for time being, and then we have from employee. So we are getting all the records from the employee, all these hire date, first name, last name, salary, up to salary. We have employee, and then I need the manager name. So I created the separate query and added it into here. This is gonna be a little bit tricky or a little bit complex, but don't worry, it's not so complex. You just need to create the query in place of in the expression of from, because we need to get these duplicate column. So in this case, what I did is I run this query where I selected the employee ID and manager. So what I'm going to do is I will take from this employee ID, and I will combine it with the manager ID in the employee, and in the display, what I'm doing is what I'm saying employee ID first name plus last name. First name plus last name is concatenating. You can do it this, so it's separated, and then last name as manager. You can use it as a manager, and then from employee, same table. So see how you are copy using same table for the different situations. So it's just a copy from one SQL, from one table to another table, but it's the same copy. Copy A, copy B. So it's a carbon copy of employee. And in this way you can do it. So what now? Now when I say EM, I'm giving the, I'm treating it as a table. This is here as it, because from clause is for the tables only, right? So we are using it straight away, this table, and then the select statement for the next duplicate employee table. Now EM has been defined for this table, duplicate table, like this EM, employee as a E. Now enable this, and then if you try to run this, it will give you the records. See this, the manager. So it is showing a little bit abnormal, or it's not abnormal, it's getting all the manager duplicates because this manager has a number of employee. So now what I'm doing is I'm using where condition. So here we come to the third clause, which is the where condition. So the where condition is I'm saying where salary is greater than 5,000. So it is filtered up to 5,000. Now what I'm saying is because these are the looks abnormal records, so I haven't joined both the duplicate tables together. So I need to join. I said and e means employees first image of employee dot manager id is equals to employee id, employee id. If you remember, if you know, the manager ID is not a different ID. The manager ID is the employee ID. He is the Steven, and he is the manager of the 101 Nina and the Lex. So manager ID is nothing. It's just employee ID. In that reason, we have created the duplicate image. So the manager ID is the employee ID, and then now if we are running, you will get the correct result. Nina and Lex as